Akĩaria arĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Nyandarua, Minista wa ũgitĩri Kipchumba Murkomen augĩte thirikari ndĩrĩ na thĩna na gũcoka gwa Gachagua bũrũri-inĩ, no angĩkorwo nĩ agatabania mĩcemanio akorwo na marũa moko.
Any rally, public baraza, as long as it's peaceful, the police will provide security, and it's important that they give the necessary notification. If they have given the notification, of course, we have absolute no issue with any person, any political party, any politician calling for a meeting. Just need them to notify the police, and they must ensure that their meeting is peaceful and does not lead to situations of disrupting the peace for others.
Mwena-inĩ wake munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja augĩte gũcoka gwa Gachagua no ta gũcoka kwa Mũkenya o wothe.
Sisi kama polisi tunasema kuwasili kwake Bwana Rigathi kwetu ni kuwasili ya kawaida kama Mkenya mwingine ule anarejea injini. Kwa hivyo sisi hatuna shida hata kidogo, yakifika anafika na kuelekea kama wale wengine vile wanafanya, sio?
Murkomen athing'ĩrĩirie atĩ maobitha a borithi mecemba gũtigĩrĩra mĩhang'o yothe ya mũingĩ nĩ ĩgathiĩ na mbere o ta mũtugo na gũtirĩ thayũ gatharũrio nĩ arĩa merĩgĩrĩirwo kũnyita Gachagua mbaru.
With proper notification and commitment to observe peace, the police officers are always on standby to provide security for anybody who would like to exercise their freedoms under the constitution in a peaceful manner.
Si wajibu wetu ni moja, kuona tunaweka usalama vile inatakikana kwa nchi yetu yote, what we call safety and security to the people. Na kwa wale wote ambao mtu yote akivuja sheria bila shaka pia na anashughulikiwa namna hiyo kwa mujibu wa sheria. Kwa hiyo msimamo wetu ni tunatarajia yakifika atakuja tu kama Mkenya mwingine ule, anaingia tu hapa nchini halafu na anaelekea kulingana na mipango yake ile imepanga.